Welcome to Marine Tech Hub. Today I would like to explain about water block which has been removed from the purifier, and this is brought to the workshop here. So what I have done is I have made a connection and I am giving supply here to the solenoid valve, and I will be operating it to show you how it is working. So I will just run the video for you so that you will understand better. Welcome to Marine Tech Hub. Today we will be explaining you about the water block. This is the water block here, and we have got three solenoid valves. This is SV16 for closing water, and SV15 for opening water, and SV10 for operating water. Okay, right now we have connected the water connection here, and water is under pressure, and we have a coil here, magnetic coil, 24 volt. So when we give the connection supply here, the water has to come through the orifice. We got three orifices here, so once the signal comes here, then the water should come. In case if the water is not coming, that means there is a problem with the magnetic coil or the system here. So we got a line filter here. I will show you the line filter also. So right now you can see this is the magnetic stick. So can you just show how it is working? Yeah, when you remove the magnet and touch here, you can see the light coming. So that means this magnetic switch is working all right. So you can put it back. So now you can see this is the magnetic switch. Now there is no power supply. Okay, so once I put the power supply on, keep it like this, you can see that when he puts the power supply on, you can see the magnetic coming. Can you put the power on? You can see this power is on right now, and water is coming. So once you put it off, so now there is no. So one more time, can you put it on? So you can see when the magnetic, yeah, put it on. Put it on and keep, let it be like that. Okay, you can see this. So this is wall is working. Okay, can you put it off now? Okay, now what we'll do is we will switch over this solenoid and put it here. Just swap this up to the other side, to this one. Okay, now again, now there is no supply coming, 24 volt. Okay, put the power on. Yeah, you can see the thing is coming, and you can see water coming. So there is an orifice here, so water is coming right now. So you can put it off. So normally what problem normally happens is this coil may not be working. So when your purifier is working, you just check whether the supply is coming. Even if the supply is coming, there is inside a spring and thing which I will show you once I open this. So that will be telling whether it is working or not. Then we got inside we got how it's working, the function of this I will be showing. If you have any message regarding this water block, you can let me know. Thank you.